After the outbreak of World War II, the U.S. military proposed a fighter design competition called R-40C in 1940, encouraging manufacturers to break with convention and design advanced fighters equipped with machine guns and cannons, with a speed of 425 to 525 miles per hour, 684 to 885 kilometers per hour, and capable of landing on a grass runway of 3,000 feet, 914 meters. Many aviation companies participated in this competition, among which Republic Aviation submitted two designs, AP-12 and AP-18, with the latter approved by the military to build a prototype and named XP-69. The design of AP-12 was already very radical, resembling a dart. Perhaps to further reduce aerodynamic drag, the cockpit did not protrude, with a powerful R-2160 42-cylinder liquid-cooled radial engine installed behind the pilot, and a drive shaft passing through the cockpit to drive a pair of counter-rotating propellers. This design was not approved by the military, and the company improved the design in 1941, resulting in the AP-18, XP-69, which actually had no connection between the two aircraft, being totally different designs. The XP-69 was a heavy-duty propeller fighter, a sleek low-wing single-seat fighter, 15.7 meters long, with a wingspan of 15.75 meters, and a weight of about 7,000 kilograms. The cockpit canopy was integrated with the fuselage behind, rather than protruding from the fuselage, perhaps for aerodynamic considerations. The pilot's visibility was limited, and the cockpit was pressurized. Like the AP-12, the XP-69 also had an R-2160 engine installed behind the cockpit, with a large radiator installed on the underside of the aircraft. The engine would output 2,500 horsepower, and power would be transmitted through a drive shaft to a large Hamilton counter-rotating propeller in the long nose of the aircraft, with a diameter of 4.2 meters. It was expected to reach a maximum speed of 724 km per hour, a maximum ceiling of 14,900 meters, and a maximum range of 2,900 kilometers. The fighter used retractable tricycle landing gear, with the main landing gear retracting into the wings, and 8 fuel tanks were installed in the wings, with a total capacity of 1,461 liters, and an internal fuel tank capacity of 432 liters. Large-sized flaps were installed on the trailing edge of the wings to lower the landing speed. The XP-69's weapon configuration was also powerful, including 4 12.7mm machine guns and 2 37mm cannons, all mounted on the wings, with each machine gun carrying 320 rounds and each cannon carrying 40 rounds. It is said that there was also a configuration with 8 12.7mm machine guns, with 4 mounted on each wing. The military ordered 2 prototype aircraft, but only one was actually started, and not completed, and the entire project was halted in 1943. The biggest obstacle was the inability to ensure the supply of the R-2160 engine, and another issue was that the company believed it was capable of designing and building more powerful fighters, so they were less enthusiastic about the XP-69.